The lights on your scooter are a key factor in riding safety. A good headlight, properly adjusted, will give you the visibility to assess and avoid hazards. A bright headlight will make other motorists aware of your vehicle, and it's important that it doesn't blind oncoming traffic. Headlights become dim with age, so if you're finding it's harder to see at night, it might be time to replace your bulb. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the headlight on a Yamaha Vino YJ50. In the North American market, that's the 2001 through 2005 two-stroke 49cc model. I'm Drew. Welcome to the Scooter Cult. To do this job, you need a 35 watt H4 bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and wear a pair of gloves and avoid touching the glass on the bulb. On the inside of the leg shield, there are two Phillips head screws to be removed.
Go back, I wasn't filming. Alright, you can go now. You might have to edit. Wait, actually, you're gonna have to edit out the first like 5 seconds of this. You got it, yeah.
On the front of the scooter below the headlight is one final Phillips head screw. Make sure to use a properly sized screwdriver as to not strip the head of this exceptionally tight screw. Firmly pull the headlight away from the bike to release the plastic clips and gently unplug the wiring harness from the bulb. Now remove the foam, the rubber insulator, and the retaining ring around the bulb and replace the bulb with your new one. Reassembly is the reverse order of disassembly. When reassembly's been completed, start the bike and verify headlight function. I hope this video has helped you, and next time we'll walk through how to properly adjust a scooter headlight.